Hi, it's Gareth here. I am in another hotel. I feel like all of my videos start in a hotel somewhere. I am in Singapore, where I have been for the last few weeks, which is why I haven't been uploading a lot of videos. Just lots of work going on, so I thought I'd try and do a quick video before finishing. I'm going to do this in the style of one of my favorite YouTubers, Kofuzi, who kind of got me through the marathon in Athens and the preparation for that. So today I'm going to test out the GoPro Fusion as a running camera. Now, a lot of you know I have had this GoPro Fusion since it came out. I use it in a lot of ski videos when I'm skateboarding and that kind of thing. I've never used it for running though, so I've been messing around with this camera, and rather than kind of do like the usual kind of touristy photos and video, I thought I'd go for a quick run, use the camera and see if it was any good for that. So let's get into the video. Again, thanks to Kofuzi for giving me the idea of using a 360 camera, although I believe he uses the Insta1X, which I have looked at as well. I also want to give a big shout out to the Running and Makan Group here in Singapore that took me and another friend in and arrange like runs every week, plus food and other things. So if you are ever in Singapore and you want to run, I will leave a link to their Facebook page below. Just get in contact with them. They're very welcoming. It doesn't cost any money, just it's like good times with good people, bit of running, and then some good food. So let's get into the video and see how this GoPro looks. It's early morning, the sun has just come up. I'm heading down to Marina Bay to give you guys a pretty cool view. However, trains aren't working this morning, so I'm going to have to run another few kilometers to get there in just a second. So I wanted to do this video because I am starting my marathon training for Beirut, which is happening in November. I'm also applying for Tokyo, which is in February, and also London shortly after that. So training starts now, and hopefully based on what happened in Athens last year, I'm going to try and get some training in the heat, so it doesn't feel as bad. As per usual, when I go wandering around a new city, I get completely lost, and I am dying of heat already. You can see some of the view behind me. I'm trying to get over there. It's not as straightforward as you kind of think. I can't just go that way. So let's pick up the action when I actually get over there, and then I can actually run. See you in a minute. Afraid won't let you fall, girl. Don't be afraid, won't let you fall, girl. so this is it, that's the end of the run. I forgot to turn my watch back on earlier on, so I don't know how far I've run or how slow I ran it. It was pretty slow though, it's pretty hot. Marina Bay Hotel in front of me, behind me, and then Gardens by the Bay over here. Just move over here a little bit, I'm going to poke this out there so you guys can see the view. Check that out, see the super trees and everything. That's it for this video. Big shout out to the Singapore Running and Makan Club, who have shown me some of the sites here, shown me some of the food, which has been great. I will leave a link to their Facebook page below, so if you are coming to Singapore and you are a runner, please hit them up, they're so friendly. Also want to give a quick shout out to Kofuzi for giving me the idea of using the 360 camera. I've only used my GoPro on my phone. I have no idea how you do your videos, run and get those times that you get as well. So right, I'm gonna go and take a rest, have a shower and try and get a drink and some food, and I will see you at the next one. So like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if this was any good. Otherwise I'll compile a load of videos over the next few months, and then when we come to the Beirut Marathon in November, we'll do another video like I did in the Athens video, which I'll link somewhere here. Okay, thanks a lot guys, and I'll see you next time.